Just as the nightlife is robust, so also there is an amazing night schooling system, the night schools of Mumbai. The night schooling system is amazing because all those who come to study here are working students and are self-motivated. Around 20,000 students study across 173 night schools in Maharashtra. These students come with one dream in their eyes, a dream to make it big. Most night schools in Maharashtra are run by private trusts. Their salaries are paid by the state government and most are situated in the BMC school premises. In spite of a hard day's work, these working students find time to come every day to study. But what they got in return wasn't quality education. Research findings by Ms. Nikita Ketkar confirmed strong willingness of dropout students to complete their formal education. Hence came into being Masoom. Masoom was formally launched in 2008 to improve the quality of education in night schools. Our vision, mission, and theory of change all culminate with the end goal of empowering the youth with education, widening their career options as they go out into the world brimming with self-confidence. We achieve our goals via our 4 core programs: the Night School Transformation Program, Tech on Wheels, Career Cell, and Evening Learning Centers. Masoom's journey began with the Night School Transformation Program, simply called the NSTP, that includes education infrastructure and inputs, capacity building, and advocacy. We designed a 3-pronged model that can be implemented in any night school in any state of India and probably anywhere in the world as well. Our 3-pronged approach led to various outcomes: improved school infrastructure, academic performance, increased attendance, leading to better job opportunities for the students. Masoom has developed a grading tool to regularly assess schools on the basis of different parameters. The grading tool has now been customized to the Shala Siddhi tool of the state government. The grading tool will help to determine a baseline for a new school, correctly grade an existing school, and based on the grades determine the future course of action. This will help the school move from grade D to C to B to A, which is kind of an upgradation process. To augment the students' results in the SSC examination, we track their performance and accordingly guide them for sessions which are focused on their need. We conduct prelims, have bridge classes, etc. From 2008 to 2020, we have reached out to over 20,000 plus students by our presence in 85 schools. More than 300 teachers have been trained by Masoom every year. We have even been instrumental in getting government resolution for Class 8 nutrition. And yes, the government has approved of the NSTP program and has addressed all headmasters to actively support it. Post their 10th exams, we encourage the students to pursue higher studies to enhance their job opportunities. After conducting career counseling sessions, we guide them to their stream of preference. We also offer short and long-term skilling courses and entrepreneurship scholarship programs which are partially paid for by Masoom. As of 2020, we have provided career guidance to more than 2,500 students and placed around 2,400 students in various organizations and courses for further studies. Tech on Wheels facilitates students exploring their passion for science and technology. A mobile bus, that is, a classroom on wheels, gives the students access to computers, online resources, and innovative educational programming. They can learn basic computer course, graphic designing, web designing, etc. A total of 1,904 day and night students have been a part of our Tech on Wheels project. Evening learning centers are specifically designed to support the out-of-school students to pass their Class 10 in areas where night schools are not an option. Masoom addresses the cause of quality education, inclusive and equitable quality education, and promoting lifelong learning opportunities for all. At present, we operate in 11 centers across Gujarat and Maharashtra. ELCs help the students gain life skills, soft skills, vocational skills, where education is a byproduct. We also had to adapt to online sessions for the students, keeping in mind the pandemic situation. Students and teachers alike were taken through the technical processes, and we have been successfully conducting classes via online platforms. Going forward too, we may adapt to a blended model of teaching, which may be helpful as students can attend sessions even from their workplace. A glimpse of our future includes being present in 120 schools over 5 districts by the year 2023-24. With our career cell, the plan is to empower more and more youth with courses and skilling and placements. Our plan is to add a third bus to the Tech on Wheel program by the year 2023-24. As far as the ELCs are concerned, we hope to have 20 centers by the end of 2023-24. We have been featured in various publications, media platforms like the Times of India, The Hindu, Divya Bhaskar. We end by showcasing a few of our alumni who have grown with us. And a thank you to our partners and sponsors who have always been our support and propel us to better in our endeavor.